We grab the signal for the audio in from the variable speakers. The signal for the doors. How did you grab it? How did you grab the signal from the door?
I popped this pen, and there was a pink and gray wire.
Pink and gray wire?
Pink was 12. You can actually pop it out. It's really easy. This panel.
Wait. Let me see.
I'm surprised.
So we grab the signal from the door speakers. This panel comes out fairly simple. All you gotta do is remove the gasket. As you can see, the whole panel comes out, and the wires right down there. I'll show you online the color code, and that's where the speaker is for the driver's side. Of course, there's another one on the other side, and do the same thing over here if you have to. We are working on 2022 Acura MDX. We are doing a kicker amplifier subwoofer. This one has ANC. The microphone is hard to tell, but microphone is by the handles here. 4 of them. There's one here, one there, one on each right above the handles right there. Normally on Acura, they have an ANC module behind the glove box on all the models. You gotta take the glove box out. The ANC module is located right there, but not on this one. So we are doing the kicker amplifier. They did have some issues with this kicker amp. They modified it. Now it's supposed to be good. Alright, so the reason that we want to disable ANC module is that if you don't disable it and you hit a gas, it makes a rumbling sound. So you cannot enjoy the music. This is a trunk, obviously. On the passenger side, you go to the passenger side and you're going to pull down this panel. You don't have to remove much. You just remove the rubber gasket, pull down the entire panel like that, and surprisingly, it's pretty easy to get to. This is a tuner pack right there. Right below it, there's another module right below. That is an ANC module. You're just gonna simply disconnect that. And once you've done that, some people ask me like, oh, is my Bluetooth is gonna work? This has nothing to do with the Bluetooth. It's only for ANC, anti-noise cancelling system. So you just simply reach down there. The plug is on the bottom side. It's hard to show you, but he's trying to push the tab to release. And the plug is out, and you no longer have ANC. So that's how easy it is to get to. Again, you just simply pull this panel out, reach down, unplug, put the panel back in. It took me less than a minute to do this. Very easy to get to. Right, we are running a 4-gauge wire. Of course, you got to fuse it. Anytime you attach any power to the battery, you got to fuse it. The wire right there, there's a big grommet. So that's the rubber grommet going into the car. You just slit open a little bit and shoot the wire through that.